Hi, and welcome to the Sycamore Client Manager tutorial for client meeting tracking. Client meetings are created, edited, and tracked from the client account record. Each client has an appointment tracking section on the account page that directly links with the client meeting related list and the calendar. By setting the appointment frequency and rating, the next target meeting date will automatically calculate and populate the date field when the client meeting is created. Appointments that are missed or overdue are flagged in the appointment flag field and appear in the past due appointment report. To get started, you want to first open up your client account. Scroll down your page until you see your appointment tracking section. This is where you want to get started. The first thing you want to do is set the rating for your client. So we're going to give this client a rating of A. For an A client, we can meet with them every 3 months, every 6 months, or once a year. We're going to select 6 months. And that populates these two fields. Click Save. The client meeting is created from the client account record, not from the calendar. The client meeting created from the account will be placed on the advisor's calendar if an advisor is set, or it will be placed on the owner's calendar, the owner of the account, or you can indicate someone else when the event is created. But the client meeting will automatically sync with the calendar and will be placed on that person's calendar. So we're going to go into the client meeting hyperlink of the client's account record, click New Client Meeting. From here, we are given a choice as to what type of client meeting we're going to create. You could select client meeting or phone call. Workshop is a different type of client meeting and is covered in a separate tutorial. From here, we are in the new client meeting record. We're going to set the date and time of the client meeting, the duration, and here's where we can indicate if we'd like this client meeting to be placed on the account owner's calendar, the advisor's calendar, or other. If you select other, you then have to select the other user from the lookup. The event subject will be appended to the subject line of the event. By default, it is given a subject of client meeting, and whatever you type here will be appended to those words. The client meeting location will be copied to the location field of the event. Click Save. The client meeting is then linked to the client account and placed on the person you indicated on their calendar. We can see the activities by hovering over the Open Activities Related list. Here we see 3 automatic tasks that were created. They may or may not be on your system. But here is the client meeting. So this is the actual event. So if I click that link, it will take me to the event. I can see my subject, so review plan was appended to the words client meeting, the date and time of the appointment with a duration of 2 hours. I'm going to go back to my client account, and from there I can hover over the open activities list as well. So I can see the open activities under client meeting. If I go into the client meeting, I can view the open activities there. Or if I go to my client account, I can view the open activities from there. Edits to the client meeting are made from the client meeting hover link and will automatically be synced to the calendar. Changes made from the event record will not be reflected in the client meeting record. So to make a change to an appointment, you're always going to go to the client meeting hover link, click edit next to the appropriate client meeting. Make your necessary changes. Click save. And that change will sync with the event, and you'll notice that the event was also changed to December 30th. If you scroll down to your appointment tracking section of your client account, you will see that the last next meeting was updated to 12:30, and because we have our appointment frequency of 6 months, our next target date is June 28th of 2015. And that's automatically calculated. You'll notice there is a lock next to these fields because these are calculated fields. See a list of client meetings for this particular client by clicking on the Client Meeting Report button. This will open up a separate window and will show you all the client meetings, past, present, and future for this particular client. And that is how you create and track client meetings. Thank you, and please see some of our other tutorials on the Sycamore Client Manager YouTube channel.